Peace. This is Learn to Speak Shona with Zimbabwe Kid. Now, the question was asked, how do you say happy birthday in Shona? Well, you just say happy birthday because there's pretty much no Shona words for happy birthday. People just celebrate it every year with seasons, with different things, but there's never really been a happy birthday in Shona. So you can just say to someone, happy birthday in Zimbabwe, and everyone knows what you're saying. If you want to add some words to that or context in Shona, you would say happy birthday. Mwari awedzere makore, which means may God add to your years. So that might be the best way to do it. Say happy birthday, mwari awedzere makore. And that's it for Learn to Speak Shona with Zimbabwe Kid. Peace.